I work as a chief technologist at a pharmaceutical plant in Arkhangelsk. 6 months ago, the management of our company included in the production development plan the development of a new product, medicine for colds and flu in pills. To organize the process, it was necessary to purchase equipment and obtain documents for product certification. According to the requirements of drug certification bodies, we must produce a trial batch of the product and make laboratory tests of cold and flu capsules. In pharmaceutical production, it is important to control the quality of raw materials and finished medicines. This requires analytical equipment, which we also decided to buy for the capsule packing area. We did not have the equipment for polishing and removing dust from the surface of the capsules, which is used in the production of tablets, to give a smooth surface to the drug. In the process of manufacturing the tablets, and their subsequent transfer from the matrix to the storage container, the capsules come into contact with the powder residue. As a result, a dusty film is formed on the surface of the tablet. The quality and performance of our offered equipment suited us, and we decided to consider this manufacturer. I found out the phone number of the company in the sales department, and I contacted the manager. The specialist who was talking to me told me that this equipment was out of stock and offered another option. I carefully studied the proposed unit, but it turned out that it is suitable for laboratory research and is not used in the production of large loads. I rejected the suggested variant and searched for another one. I was looking for a machine that would be as effective as possible, safe for the worker, made of durable material. The machine had to be compact in overall dimensions and easy to operate. I started my search for a machine to polish and dust capsules with the confidence that I would immediately find the necessary equipment. I decided to have a look and compare manufacturers of machines in Europe and China. I searched through the internet. I chose according to geographic location, delivery terms, price range. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but requested a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen options because of the high cost, and would send me to search again. I then searched for equipment for polishing and removing dust from the capsule surface from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 6 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 6 months didn't satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our staff can speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy the car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of finding equipment for polishing and dusting capsules on my own, so I turned to an intermediary specialist. I had an idea what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. I chose several intermediaries on the internet, 1 from China, and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. The length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount of the order was much higher than what was shown on the site. I was not satisfied. In advance I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website. It was modern, structured, and had a lot of videos. Calling the manager of the company, I got a good advice on possible options for dusters. At the first stage, the manager suggested a capsule polisher with a metal detector, with a capacity of 420,000 capsules per hour. The specialist told me about the capabilities of the machine, sent me a video clip by email, and cited the experience of past customers. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we made a contract for the delivery of the capsule blower. The machine was delivered on schedule. It was compact, economical, and easy to operate. The equipment consists of 2 machines, a high-speed dedusting machine, and a metal detector. Capsules are loaded into the metal hopper, and then cleaned inside the case with special brushes. The surface of the capsules is completely clean and smooth, after polishing with a brush in the dedusting machine. The cleaned capsules are then passed through a metal detector, where they are checked for metallic foreign particles. The cleaned capsules are collected in a special container under the metal detector. We were happy with the capsule desiccant recommended and supplied by a specialist from Moscow. The manager warned us in advance that the experience of the company's clients had shown that this polisher was not suitable for removing dust from pellets. The brush head is very hard, and wipes off the tablets very hard. I took this observation into account. After talking with a real professional, I got a little smarter myself, learned a lot, and am absolutely certain that a good teacher is one whose words and deeds don't disagree. I checked this out on my own experience.